and welcome back to the second part of video. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful tulip leaf. This leaf perfectly with crochet tulips and adds a lovely touch of floral creations. Let's get started. We will use green color of wool for leaf, floral wire, scissor. Crochet 3.5 millimeters. Start by making a knot and chaining 22. Make sure your chains are even and not too tight. This will help the leaf lie flat and keep its shape. Now we are going to work down one side of the chain. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make one single crochet. Use flower wire with the chain in the next stitch. Do 2 half double crochet. Then continue with double crochets in the next 14 stitches. That should leave you with 2 chains at the end. In the fourth to last chain, do 2 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. In the very last chain, make 3 single crochets all in the same stitch. This will round the tip of the leaf and let us turn to the other side. Now we'll work our way back down the other side of the chain. Now twist flower wire. Start with 1 single crochet. Do half double crochet in the next stitch, then work 14 double crochets just like before. Near the base, do 2 half double crochet, then 2 single crochet in the last stitch. You should now be back at the beginning of the chain. To finish, slip stitch into the very first stitch to close the round. Fasten off your yarn and leave a long tail if you want to sew the leaf to a tulip stem. You can shape your leaf by gently tugging the sides to create a natural curve. And that's it, your crochet tulip leaf is complete. Arrange flower with leaf in stem. Simple, elegant, and the perfect accent for your handmade flowers with leaf. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know how your tulip garden is coming along in the comments. Happy crocheting!